Together, it's Sissy Nation. Okay, okay. We started our morning out in downtown Dallas at this beautiful restaurant called the Beehive Honey because we were dying to check out their brunch and of course the drinks because what's a girl stay out without a flight? Okay, okay.
Which one is this one? Kiwi.
That should be kiwi. What's the birdie? That's good. That's fresh. Okay. All right. So thumbs up for the kiwi. All right.
My pleasure.
The food, hunty, the food. Yes, God, honey. It gave everything it needed to give and more, honey. We left out of that thing full and tipsy. Okay. So me and my sissy crew are here at the Beehive. We just finished having brunch and we are waiting to get our photos. Did you enjoy it, Jessie Pooh?
I did. I really did. I enjoyed it a lot.
And the drinks were strong.
Yeah, they were hot.
As y'all can see. See that one eye? So,
One eye.
We brunching. Destination number 2, MYX Blend Bar to make some of our own lipstick on our sissy date adventure. We just made it to our second destination at the MYX Blend Bar to make our own lipstick for the day. What a perfect way to spend sissy day. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, that one. Judge me not. That's my favorite color too. We're getting judged. I don't like it. We can get different shades of purple. It's purple.
Yeah, there is so many different types of purple.
That's a disrespect to me. I love you though. Color purple. I don't know.
It looks really good.
Got a house something like that at home, but I've been needing this right here.
What other color do you want? I don't want the same color. Oh, because I have one in mind, but I don't want to say it.
Oh, well, I'll tell yours first. I don't have anything in mind right now. I don't know whether to go lighter or darker.
It's totally different color. Like a blue.
Do we want to do like a dark navy blue or like the blue that you have on your eyelids?
Yep.
Like that
But
one?
yeah.
Like an apricot-ish color. I can try that. I'll try that.
Apricot is like an orangey.
Kind of, sort of, yeah. Not too loud. Hey, we look like Ronald McDonald now.
Not Ronald McDonald.
For those of you who know, you know. I decided to go ahead and stick with my favorite color, the purple. Ew. And my sissy stuck with her popping blue. We have finished making our concoctions, and now we have to come up with a name for our lipstick. So, we're in deep thoughts, and my dear friend here, she think I'm trying to be shady. I'm trying to help her come with a name for her lipstick. I thought we can use our YouTube names, but then they supposed to get a little long.
Mine is too long. I can't use that.
Press reject. You don't like that? Y'all paparazzi? Paparazzi
That's
jazz?
what I was thinking. It's personas. Okay, do just persona. No? Yeah? You don't like that? You don't like that? Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. Did you make that?
You're going in the right direction.
But you don't like that.
Well, we'll just do essential personas. You're going to do that.
Okay, well, I don't want that.
You want your name in it.
Wait a minute.
I'm just saying.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this.
Thank y'all. All right, y'all. So we just finished at the MYX Blend Bar. We got our lipstick shades. Honey, I got that popping purple. My CC Pooh got her banging Texas blue outfit. And I enjoyed it. You enjoyed it? Oh, now you think about a new name?
Banging Texas Blue. I could have said that.
Yeah, we could have. It just came to my mind. It just came out. But we enjoyed it. Y'all need to come check that thing out.
I'm gonna come back.
We coming back. We're going to get us some shades.
Another shade.
All shades.
Get my own shade.
For this melanin. Okay. Be sure to check out It's a Philistine to see her POV, and then of course certified viewers to see mine. And together it's Sissy Nation. Okay. Okay. Vegan ice cream. I don't want the vegan though. I want the real one. But for you vegans, they have options for you guys as well. She was dancing for that vegan cookie. I don't care what she said. Got vegan cookies and my sister was dancing. You snap. Okay, get it out. We ended our sissy date on a sweet note, and I hope and pray that you guys have the same experience throughout your day. Thanks for watching. Until next time.